Okay, so adding a second picture into a post in WordPress. In this case, we've already uploaded the picture. The first one is here, but the second one seems not to be here. So here's what we do. This is, of course, the WordPress backend we're looking at, and we're going to go ahead and click that media icon, and this brings up this dialog, which you're familiar with. It shows you how to upload. Um, well, once it's uploaded, if you haven't already inserted it, what you want to do is go over to Media Library, which is this last tab here. And I happen to know that the one that's missing is 639 here. So I'm going to click Show, and we see all this. Now, here you have the link URL. This is how you want it aligned, size, but here's where you want to do insert into post, and you just click that and it should show up right here. You'll see that there's a blinking cursor right here. I'm just going to go ahead and hit enter. Oops. If you go over here, okay, so this is actually right. In the HTML you see that it ends with less than backslash, no, forward slash, sorry, I always get those confused, a greater than sign. And then there's a carriage return, an enter, and then another set that starts with less than a, and so on. You don't need to know what this is. Basically, each of these sets of code was automatically inserted by WordPress, so it should work perfectly fine. We'll hit update here and go to view page. When I click view page, we see, there we go. We have it here. The reason it was showing up too wide on the preview editor was because the preview editor is much wider than this. So that should work perfectly fine. So that's how you add a second and more pictures actually in WordPress.